Hey plant lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're turning ordinary eggshells into a lightning-fast coriander nursery. And you'll have fresh leaves ready for the kitchen in just a few days. Here's everything you need for this hack. A clean egg carton or a shallow tray. First, we prep the shells tray, make a tiny hole in the bottom of each one, just enough for drainage. Second step, a fine potting mix. Fill each shell with the potting mix, leaving a little space at the top. This gives the roots room to breathe. With the right herbs, proper lighting, and a little care, you'll never run out of fresh flavor for your meals. Drop a spoon of coriander seeds into each shell. About 1 spoon of seeds per shell works perfectly. Coriander seeds. Fill step by step. Coriander seeds should be healthy and fresh for quick growth. Benefits of coriander fresh flavor boost adds a bright, citrusy kick to dishes. Rich in vitamins, a good source of vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate. Antioxidant power helps fight free radicals and supports cell health. Digestive aid can ease stomach cramps and improve digestion. Heart-friendly contains potassium and magnesium, which support healthy blood pressure. When you sow coriander seeds in last step, shower the water and let it in dark place for seeds germination. Keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy. A quick mist each morning is all the watering these little guys need. And there you have it, fresh coriander, ready to elevate any dish. Simply snip the outer leaves as you need them and watch the plant keep producing for weeks. Keep the soil lightly moist, place the pot in a sunny spot, and enjoy the burst of flavor in your cooking. If you liked this quick gardening hack, hit the like button, subscribe for more indoor garden tips, and let us know in the comments which herb you'll try next. Thanks for watching and happy growing!